Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 识or 字 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Polyphone. Pronounced as 识 means to know. Knowledge. As 字 means to record. To write a footnote. For example, 识字 to learn to read. To learn to read. Now check this sentence. What is the percent of the population that can read? 识字的人占总人口的百分比是多少？ What is the percent of the population that can read? What's the percent of the population that can read? 识字的人占总人口的百分比是多少？识字的人占总人口的百分比是多少？What is the percent of the population that can read? 识字的人占总人口的百分比是多少？识 inclusive. 识 to know, knowledge. 字 to record, to write a footnote. 识字 to learn to read. What is the percent of the population that can read? 识字的人占总人口的百分比是多少？识字 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 识 or 字. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.